My name is Michael Enos, and I'm the Senior Director of Community and Platform for TechSoup Global. TechSoup's mission is to enable organizations worldwide to further their impact with the use of technology. We have platforms that they engage with in order to connect to donations from large tech companies, hardware, software, and foundations for grant funding. We have data services that we provide for large companies so they can understand what a nonprofit organization is, so that they could use our information to help further their philanthropy. We began the use of PagerDuty primarily for the U.S. Product Donation Program to support the teams and the escalation processes involved in supporting that platform. As we began to become more globally focused and have more centralized IT across our different tech platforms, PagerDuty became the platform that we used to centralize the alerting and monitoring systems for all those different platforms. We use PagerDuty as our centralized escalation and risk management tool. To that end, if there's a system outage, if it's not responded to within a certain SLA, it will get routed up to PagerDuty, all the way up to myself, and if I'm not available, then to other people that I've designated through a schedule in PagerDuty, even all the way up to our CEO if necessary. It provides great flexibility for us to change and respond to our changes as we change as an organization.